Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tips with the PowerRay and PowerVision. We are going to show you guys today how to bind all this stuff together, and I'm even going to show you another little tip on top of that, and that's how to actually control the device with your phone instead of the transmitter. So first, let's just get into the main part here. The main part is we're going to have to go ahead and plug the PowerRay in with the tether. Once we get that all lined up, boom, that in. And this is the steps that I like to take. First, plug in the PowerRay, wait for it to fire up. When the lights come on, you know it's fired up, ready to go. Second, what I'm going to do is attach the base station like I've already done to the end of the tether. I'm going to go ahead and fire that up till it's a solid green like you see right there. Now, the last thing I'm going to do is turn on the remote. This is the way, but if you do it this way, it connects a lot faster than the opposite way. So if I were to do this first, then this, and then this, it takes a little bit longer. So once I turn this on, it's going to take just a couple seconds. Boom, we're connected. Now everything's binded together and you're ready to go. This is now connected to where you are going to be controlling every movement of the drone with this controller, which is a really cool thing to do. Really easy to bind. Now, if I were to turn this off, which I did right here, now a really other cool feature is that you can use these two little pads here at the bottom to control the device. So I don't even need to have this if I don't want it, but I will tell you this, and I've done this quite a few times, it's a lot harder to control on the phone than it is on this device. So just be warned that if you do control it with the phone, it takes a little while to get used to. Not as long as it is to get used to this. This is like in a day. This will probably take you about a week to really figure it out. But then again, you also have all the same options or features that are on this that are on the phone. So it's a really intuitive piece of machinery, whether you use the phone or the controller. That's been another quick tips. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. And if you have any comments, leave them below and we'll get right back to you. Thanks a lot.